Yes, good morning everyone. So today I am going to give you a beautiful class and important topic, differentiation. So from the point of CET examination, again it is a very important topic. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. We shall start the question number 1. If x power m, y power n equals x plus y whole power m plus n. Observe here, this idea is applicable only for this type. What type? Here base x, base y, base add x plus y, power m, power n, add power m plus n. Whenever this type will be there, the answer dy by dx means y1 must be equals to y by x. That is option B. Let us take an example. X power 6, y power 5 equals x plus y whole power 11. Then y1 must be equals to y by x. Suppose x power 6, y power 4 equals x plus y whole power 11. Then what? 6 plus 4, 10, but here 11. Then here y1 means dy by dx is not equals to y by x. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ no problem, take log on both sides and then differentiation as usual by theory method. Whenever this type will comes, we have to use CET techniques. Okay, the answer is y by x. Question number 2. The derivative of e power log x. E power log x is there. E power log x means e power log 1 remaining x. Differentiation means differentiation. X differentiation 1. So answer 1, that is option C. Third one, y equals log of x. So y equals log of x. So y differentiation y1, dy by dx means y1. So for CET, don't write dy by dx, time waste. Therefore y1, that's all. Yes, y1. For log differentiation, 1 by log of log x. For log, 1 by log x. For log x, 1 by x. Multiply x log x, log of log x. So x log x, log of log x, option C. Question number 4. Y equals a beautiful problem. Okay, we have to calculate y1 means dy by dx. The question is y equals root of sin x plus again root of sin x repeated means up to infinity. Call this term as y. Squaring on both sides because root is there. Y square equals sin x plus y. Differentiate y square differentiation 2y. For y, y1 equals sin differentiation cos plus y, y1. y1 one side 2y y1 minus y1 equals c for cos x. Then common y1 common, remaining 2y minus 1, shift cos x divided by 2y minus 1. So this is the answer. So cos x divided by 2y minus 1, option C. This is one method. For CET, you can use some idea. Yes, what is the idea here? Means simple. We have formula. Whenever this type will comes, the solution or y dash or y1 must be equals to f dash by 2y minus 1. What is f dash here? So f means this is y equals root of f of x plus f of x dot. Means sin x is f of x. So sin x differentiation, yes, answer direct again. Sin is there, sin is the f dash, sin differentiation cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Yes, we can write directly by using this formula. That's all. Question number 5. Y equals x plus root x goes on repeating. So what? Y equals, we have to calculate dy by dx. So we have formula y dash or y1 equals f dash. F equals x dash. X differentiation 1 divided by 2y minus 1. So the answer is C. So CET class idre we can get more marks and more rank. Sixth one, y equals 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial dot dot dot. So nothing but that is the exponential function. Don't differentiation like this. One differentiation 0 minus xk 1 x square by 2 x square get 2x by 2 2 cancel x. What about up to dot 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 dot? So therefore this is called exponential series. So don't differentiate separately. This entire term means e power x. That is the exponential series, right? So y, we require d square, second order, first differentiation y1, e power x differentiation e power x, second differentiation that is also e power x. E power x nothing but y. So y2 equals y, option C. Question number 7th one. Here sin y equals x into sin of a plus y. This is very lengthy problem for PU board. But it is in CET, therefore you have to do very fast. How? Sin y equals x into sin of a plus y. First observe the problem. Sin y term, sin of a plus y term. So 2 y terms and 1 x term is there. Therefore find out x. X equals sin y divided by sin of a plus y. Now differentiate respect to x, not x, with respect to y. Okay, x become dx by dy with respect to y. Quotient rule. By denominator square. Denominator square means sin square a plus y. Reverse it. Dy by dx equals numerator sin square a plus y by something. Observe the options. In numerator sin square no, cos square no, sin square a, here sin square a plus y. So option D. This is enough. So no need of quotient rule here. Means differentiation of numerator is not enough. Why? Because sin square a plus y is present in only one time. Question number 8th one. So d by dx of tan inverse of a minus x by 1 plus ax. It is inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function go calculus ku yen sambandha? Sambandha ide. So trigonometry ella kadekku beku. Therefore trigonometry formula and inverse trigonometry chapter gottirbeku. Okay, we have one formula plus tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. This is the formula. So reverse, tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy means tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Reverse order. It is also reverse it. This become what? This become tan inverse x, sorry a, tan inverse a minus tan inverse x. That is differentiation. Now differentiation, tan inverse a is a constant, therefore 0. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 by tan inverse 1 by 1 plus a square ಆಗಲ್ಲ, because a is a constant, tan inverse a constant, differentiation 0, minus tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. So minus 1 by 1 plus x square, option A.